Hey, what's up, fam? I got a few trade ideas for y'all for the final trading week of 2025. First up is Microsoft. We had an inside day on Friday. I like this one. Looked like Microsoft wants to break out for a pivot to the upside finally. Now, but we have to wait and see what happens. Now, over 488.12, my first price target on this would be 489.59, and then we have 490.76, but it looked like it wants that 50-day EMA at the 492.94 price level. But keep Microsoft on watch. Now, you know we got to watch the downside too, though, because we're going to follow the price action. If it loses 485.96, my first price target on this would be 484.91, and then we have 483. But keep Microsoft on watch. Like I said, next up is Google. Google been on the run lately. Went up here trying to break out of this wedge here, but we had a little resistance and a few failed attempts here every time it's gotten up here, but it's still holding up. We finished with an inside day on Friday as well here. So I'll say over 315.08. My first price target would be 318, but you got to wait for stabilization to happen and for volume. But this is a nice one here. Look like it'll be a nice move up to the upside if we get that breakout and stabilization. Now, if we lose the 312.27 price level, my first target on this would be 310.48. Yeah, keep Google on watch. And last but not least, Meta Platforms. You know I had to throw Meta in there when Meta's in play. Look, Meta finished with a 223 reversal to the downside. That's an outside as opposed to inside candle on Friday with some volume supporting the move. But I'll tell you, like I said, I trade support and resistance most of the time. We lost the 200-day EMA, but Meta held the 50 and the 9 EMA, and it's been riding that 9 EMA up since it reclaimed it. So the way we'll play this is, if you want to look for an upside trade, over 669 to give us some margin. My first price target on this would be 670.93, and then we got 675.12. Now, if we lose 661.32, my first target on this would be 660.32, and then we got 657, and then possibly a move down to 653.99. But yeah, keep Meta on watch, man. Again, Meta, they normally buy it up down here, so don't get caught. Wait for confirmation. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.